This math problem is similar to a past PSLE question. In it, there are two objects or two persons whose speeds are different, but their time of travel is the same. Right? It is a special case, a speed problem. We're going to learn how to solve such a problem in this video. A bakery and a library are 114 meters apart. They are located between Honda's house and Django's house as shown below. The bakery is exactly halfway between the two houses. One day, Honda and Django started cycling from their houses at the same time, and they arrived at the library together. Right? Django cycled at 60 meters per minute, while Honda cycled 15 meters per minute faster than Django. Part A. How much further did Honda cycle than Django? Part B. How far is Django's house from the library? The first thing, let us include some of this information in the figure itself. Right, so we are told that the bakery and library is 114 meters apart. So that is that distance here. And then we are also told that the bakery is exactly halfway between the two houses. So let's say we say that the distance between Honda's house and the bakery is D. Alright, so the distance between the bakery and Django's house is also D. So let's answer part A. We want to find how much further Honda cycled more than Django. Right? So referring to this diagram, Honda actually traveled D plus 114 because they both stopped at the library. Alright, so between Honda's house and bakery is D, and this is 114. So Honda actually traveled D plus 114. What about Django? Django traveled D minus 114. Right, so let's find the difference. The difference is we just minus off the 2, the D will cancel, but the 114 will be added together or double. Right, so we're going to get 228 meters. Right, so now let's try to answer part B. We are asked to find how far is Django's house from the library. Right, in other words, we have to solve distance. So what is the formula for distance? Distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. Right? But in this particular case, the time for both is the same. Alright? So if you were to take the ratio of the distance between Honda and Django, alright, this is equal to speed of Honda multiplied by time is to speed of Django multiplied by time. Right, you can see that the time is the same for both. This will simplify to just the speed of Honda is to the speed of Django. Alright? Right? So what is the speed for Honda? Honda cycle 15 minutes faster than Django. Django is 65. So Honda is actually 65 plus 15 or 80. So this is actually 80. Right, I think we can simplify this further by dividing it by 5. So 80 divided by 5 is 16. And 65 divided by 5 is 13. Right? So 16 units and 13 units. What is the difference? The difference is 3 units. 16 minus 13 is equal to 3 units. And how much is 3 units? We have figured that out in part A. That is 228 meters. Right? So Django's house is actually 13 units. So we are interested to find 13 units. So how do we do that? We have to find 1 unit first, right? So 1 unit is 228 divide by 3, and then multiply by 30. Okay, I'm doing the entire thing in just one step. Okay, so I believe you are going to get 988 meters. Alright, so now that you know how to solve this problem, go to the link that is given below. Alright, this is the problem that we have just solved. It's a simple animation here. Alright, just to make it a little bit more fun. Alright, so make sure that you can solve this problem entirely on your own. Click the new problem button to get a new set of numbers for the problem, and then you can check your answer by clicking on the answer button. Okay guys, so have fun and thank you for listening.